The OnePlus 7 is launching soon and might come in regular and Pro models. While the renders that show a pop-up selfie camera could be of the Pro variant, here's an exclusive look at the Standard Edition, brought to you in association with OnLeaks. The regular model looks almost identical to the OnePlus 6T, and as you can see, the phone features a curved display with a water drop notch and virtually no bezels. The screen measures 6.2 inches across and is expected to sport an in-display fingerprint sensor. As for the ports and buttons, the power button and alert slider are located on the right edge, the volume rocker and ejectable SIM card tray on the left, and the USB Type-C port and loudspeaker grille on the bottom. The rear panel features dual cameras and an LED flash in a single module, with OnePlus branding below. The OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro are expected to launch as soon as next month.